underneath to give it more of a three-dimensional kind of glow. So what it basically is a darker highlight, and so you're putting it right underneath this. You can put it in here if you want to, but I like to go right underneath the highlight, so it basically creates a little bit of a 3D glow. Bora Bora, this beautiful pink, which is so gorgeous. And I'm just gonna kind of flush the cheeks out just a little bit. And as a final step, you can take a little bit of the Barbados, and you can use your pinky and just put a small amount where you want it to pop a little bit more. So I like to use this before or after. It just gives you that like extra pop. And this is going to be a little bit more subtle. So if I want to punch that up, again, we have rules on here, you don't have to follow them. And I'm just going to apply a little bit, give me a little bit more of a pop, just in some areas. And you can see we got a really nice glow going on right now. This is that pop that we're looking for. I think the richer you go, the more beautiful they look. They really start to just shimmer and glimmer. The Aruba, this is for a really subtle glow. This is not a lot. So if you're looking for like a subtle glow, there's a little bit of the Barbados on this brush. Really super simple.